Hello and welcome to a travel tips. Today we're going to tell you some information about how to stop overpacking. Now obviously the whole thing about taking stuff to go on holiday is that we always put more than we need in the bag, and then we wonder when we get there, what the hell have we got this in there for? We don't need it. It's basically putting stuff in there which we'll never wear, and obviously some of the stuff you never wear at home. So why would you take it with you? Of course, the age-old answer is, I might need it. If I get there, I haven't got it. Well, let me tell you, I've been travelling for a few years now, and I've learnt the hard way that take as little as you need and no more, because you don't need it. Trust me, you do not need it. Even if you do need it, it's cheap enough to go out and buy a shirt or a t-shirt or a pair of shorts. In actual fact, I bring back more than I take, because I buy shorts and t-shirts and shirts and I bring them back with me. So obviously I've collected a load of tips now, which hopefully will probably help you. I don't know, but here we go. So now, I've never heard of this, but packing anti-stink clothes. Now basically these are the ones that have woven with silver. They're designed to inhibit the growth of odour causing bacteria, so smelly armpits, so you can rewear your clothing. Another tip is plan for your days. So if you've got if you know that you're going to have a day out then, and you want to wear a special thing, then just have that planned out for your special days. You can obviously just packing up, rather than packing a bunch of jumbled up items that you think you might need, then try and plan. As far as shoes are concerned, try and pack multi-purpose shoes. Generally what I end up doing is having two pairs, one pair of sandals and the pair of shoes I come in, which is a formal pair of shoes, just very soft for the aircraft. So in actual fact, I don't need any shoes. I just wear sandals most of the time. Obviously, if you're going to go running or you're going to go climbing or something like that, and you need some special shoes, then you need to bring them with you. My next tip is, if you're going with somebody, try and coordinate what you're taking. So don't both of you bring toiletries. Don't both of you bring toothpaste, for example, because you don't both need that. You can actually share toothpaste or soap even. If you've got the liquid soap, you can obviously share that. And obviously if you are a couple, it really makes sense that you decide on one person putting it in their bag rather than both of you having it in their bags. If it's likely that you're going to get an impromptu invite out to a fancy party or something like that, then obviously you can go shopping because you can buy it locally, so it's not a problem. When you're packing, try and pack things that go together, so sticking to neutral colours, a neutral palette, so you can mix and match is quite good. Generally the rule of thumb is to only pack items that you can wear with at least two other pieces in your suitcase. Now obviously if you pack your favourite things, if you never wear it at home, leave it behind. Or better yet, get rid of it altogether. Pack items that you know you're comfortable with, and even go to the point of trying it on before you go. My tip is to do laundry when you're there. That most hotels have some sort of laundry service, so it would generally find that it's actually quite cheap. Or if you can't, then so you could do some hand washing if you're in a hot country, because you can put the clothes out on the balcony to dry, and it will dry for when you come back. Obviously, if you're going to try and take laundry detergent, then obviously you probably have a problem. But again, pop to your local shop and you'll probably find it's a few pence to buy a little pouch of laundry detergent. If you are packing your bag, then obviously start off with a small suitcase, because if you start off with a big bag, you're likely to fill it up and things that you don't need. So start off with a small one, and it will help you go through the airport anyway. A smaller bag, and you could probably even get away with taking it as hand luggage if you're lucky. You're not going to take too much. That's my top tips for stopping overpacking your bags when you go on the aircraft abroad. I hope it's been useful for you, and of course don't forget, if you have enjoyed it, then give us a thumbs up, a like and a share, and of course subscribe, only if you want to, but tell your friends about it as well, and come back again later for another vlog. Bye for now.